Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Kristen and I love to craft. Today we have a Hobby Lobby haul. It's summer break around here, and so I'm trying to film when I can. The boys are currently playing, and so I figured I would sneak in here and just film a quick little video. So let's go ahead and get started on our Hobby Lobby haul. Okay, so first thing that we have here is some double-sided foam tape, and it is usually $1.79. Sometimes you can catch it for 40% off, but I was in their clearance section at the very back of the store and I found some double-sided foam mounting tape. So it is the exact same thing. I've already opened up one of these packages and I got all of these for 49 cents each, and so I went ahead and stocked up. Now these are just a whole entire roll. They're not cut up into pieces, but these are. And so I picked these up. These are 57 cents each. And these are actually really great because sometimes whenever I'm making cards, I love to add dimension in them. And so it's easier if they are already pre-cut, but the longer ones I can use for attaching the top panel because those are actually longer strips. So that is something that I did stock up on. I definitely will not be needing to pick up any of the double-sided foam tape anytime soon. Next thing I picked up were some glue dots, and these were $2.49 each. And I actually just ordered some on Amazon for $6 or $7, so I definitely might be returning the Amazon ones just because these are $200 each and I'm definitely going to have these for a while. The next thing that I picked up was some Velcro, and these were on major clearance as well. So this one was 57 cents. I like to sew little small coin purses. That's just what I call them, but you can use them for like AirPods, coins, just any small little thing. And I also make some Bible covers, and those I would love to add in a Velcro feature on those. So I'm definitely glad that I picked up these. So these are smaller squares, and then this is like a full-length patch. And I was thinking that maybe I could embroider some patches, or I could cut this up as well into smaller squares. But these were different prices, so 57 cents, 37 cents, 49 cents, and 49 cents as well. This was probably something that I just like had to have. I've had my hot glue gun for probably over 10 years. It's way older than my oldest son, and so it's definitely time to get a new one. This one was $1.12. It was originally $4.49. I'm not exactly sure how good it actually is because it's so cheap, but I'm very excited to try it out. So here's what it looks like up close, and it is a high temp glue gun. I also picked up some glue sticks for it because they were on major clearance as well, and it says that they were originally $4.99 down to $2.49. I've not used this brand before, but there's 40 mini glue sticks, and this is the mini, so hopefully they do work and are compatible. So that was definitely something that I was actually really excited to purchase. I picked up this stamp. It was $1.49, and I thought it was so stinking cute. And I'm also wanting to try out stamping different colors within one stamp, so I thought that I would definitely try this out. Now I like to peel off the stamps like this, and you can attach it to a clear block stamp. So that is definitely what I'm going to be using this for. Next up, there were tons of stickers and 3D stickers, sticker books, ephemera. There was tons of that on sale. I tried to get as little as possible just because if I buy everything, I will never be able to, actually end up using it. But I thought that this would be so cute to implement in a New Year's Eve card or a New Year's card this year. So that is why we picked up this one, and it was 62 cents. And here it is up close. There is some gold on there, which is my favorite color right now. I'm just like drawn to everything gold. Next up, we picked up some ephemera. They call it die cut. These are actually stickers, and I have not picked up these yet. Usually I get the ones that are just cardstock. But this one was $1.24, and it comes with 36 different designs. Picked up a bunch of 3D stickers. If you know me, I love to add dimension to pretty much everything. It just elevates a card or anything that you're making. So I got the brother set, and this one was $1.12, and my boys love to game. My youngest is a little brother, so of course a little bro. That would be so cute on a card, but I thought that this would be so cute if they were to make each other birthday cards. They can add on stickers and things like that. Or if I end up scrapbooking a little bit more this year, this will definitely come in handy. Next up, we got some pumpkins. I love the watercolor set. These were 87 cents, and of course I love bows, so I had to have this one. These really caught my eye because there are seed beads inside of them. Let's get a closer look. So we can just start off at the very top, and it says grace upon grace, blessed, and then there's the seed beads that I was talking about. So I thought that that was just really neat. And there's some in the bottom here as well. But these really caught my eye. These were 87 cents. Father's Day is coming up, and of course we need those grandpa stickers, and I thought that these were really, really nice. So I cannot wait to make a few different cards with these, and I think that the boys will have a lot of fun making cards with these stickers as well for their grandpas. Even though Valentine's Day is really far away, of course I had to get this one. These are so stinking pretty as well. These were $1.12. Next up, we have this floral sticker, and of course these are 3D as well. They almost look clear, so that's really neat. These were 87 cents. Next thing I picked up was a bunch of these sticker pads, and these are awesome. Love to use my planner and decorate each month, and so I picked up a bunch of these different stickers, and this one is the 100% girl pack, and I just thought it was really pretty. Next up, we have the bright floral, and I thought that these were just very encouraging. It says, "You got this, one step at a time." This one was $1.49. This one was $1.24. And then next up we have In the Garden, and this one was $1.12. Just had some really cute ones in here. Home is where the coop is, and then you have a little beehive. I might actually give this one to my mom because she loves to be out in the garden. She has bees. She loves to grow things. So this would be perfect in her planner, so I'll definitely set this one aside for her. This one was $1.12. I can't remember if I already said that or not, but this one was $1.49, and this one was Dear Santa. It looks like this one is definitely going to be a vintage vibe. It has some bows in here, which I'm very excited for, and they are foiled sheets. I love gold foil, of course, so I thought that this one was just absolutely perfect for that. Let's see if we can open this one up. Oh, these are so pretty. Oh my goodness. Different kind of stickers. Let's see if we could just take a look at one. They're a different kind of texture. I can't really explain it. It's not like a sticker texture. It's like very matte feeling. So that one's really cool. All right, let's move on to our last thing that we picked up. In my other videos, we picked up a bunch of these paper crafting kits, and I wanted to show you guys the other ones that I picked up. These are probably going to be repeats if you've already watched the other video, but these are additional kits that I did pick up recently. So we have an all candy theme. This one was $1.24. It comes with 61 pieces. So it has your ephemera, your stickers, letter stickers, and your scrapbook paper. I did go back and pick up another one of these just for that coffee cup right there. I don't know why, but it is just so stinking pretty, and I love everything Christmas, so I cannot wait to create with both of these packs. We did pick up another Easter, and all of these are $1.74, just in case I didn't say that before. But this one was one of my favorites for spring, just because it comes with those little photo frames, which you could implement into different sorts of crafts. So that is why I picked up another one of these. And then this one is just a really like summery vibe, and I thought that we could craft with this one this summer as well. I'm so excited for all of the upcoming crafts that we have. So I will go ahead and set this to the side. Thank you so much for tuning into today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed it just as much as I did, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!